The AssetTiger mobile app is designed to work seamlessly and logically with the web application. But with the mobile app, you can carry your list of assets with you wherever you go. And the app is integrated with your camera, turning your phone or tablet into a barcode scanner, which is incredibly helpful. I'll show you a few of the mobile app's most convenient features. One note to start. If you're scanning barcodes with your phone, your app is already configured correctly. If you want to use an external scanner, like a handheld scanner connected by Bluetooth, there is one added step. Touch the menu icon in the upper left. Touch Setup. Touch Barcode Scanner. The default option, scanning with the camera on your phone or tablet, is the first one. If you're using an external scanner, click the second option. When you have this set correctly, touch Save. And now, to get back to the dashboard, touch the menu icon and Dashboard. Okay, to add an asset, you go to the menu icon in the upper left, select Assets, and add an asset. Here's the same list of information you would find on the site. To scan the barcode, click the little barcode icon on the right here. Your camera is now activated. This button will give you the option to use the camera's flash if you need, depending on the light in the room. Just point it toward the barcode. And now you can fill in all the information just like you would have done on the website. But remember, only the description and the asset tag ID are required. The rest is optional. I'll speed this part up. And when you're done, touch Save in the upper right. Or a shortcut is to touch the scan icon in the lower bar. If you point it toward the barcode of any item that's already in your list of assets, you'll go right to the information for that asset. If it's a new barcode, you'll have the opportunity to add that asset. Alright, now a second way the mobile app is really handy is if you frequently check assets in or out. Touch Action on the bottom and choose Check Out. From there you can scan a barcode or manually search for an asset. I'm looking for a battery charger with the asset tag ID 0011, so I type that in and search. Okay, here's the charger. Tap Add to List, and done. From here, you can add more things to check out, or if you're ready, touch Check Out. Assets need to be assigned to a person or sometimes a location to be checked out, so you do that right here. Type in a few letters of the person's name and select the person. There are a lot more options below, including assigning a due date. Once you've got it the way you want, click Check Out. To check it back in, you do the same thing. Action, Check In. Either scan the barcode or type in the asset tag ID. Add the asset to your list, and again, click Check In. The one final thing I want to show you is using the app for an audit. A lot of businesses do periodic audits of all of their assets. The goal is to check on every piece that you have and make sure that it's actually where it's supposed to be and it's in working order. Using the web app, you can create an asset report and print it out and physically bring it with you to the assets to check if all the assets are correct. Using the app, you cut out a lot of steps. Okay, to run an audit, the first step, click on the menu icon in the upper left, click Tools, and click Audit. To name the new audit, touch the plus sign in the upper right. I'm going to call this one Q4 2022. Click OK. Now, to complete your audit, you have to go through each site and each location with your phone or tablet in hand to see if the list is correct. We have two sites. I'm going to start with the Jersey City office. We have a few locations within the Jersey City office, and I'm going to start with the garage. There are a couple of options here, and I just want to mention the first one. If you touch here, any asset you find in the wrong place will be reassigned to the place where it's actually located. This might come in handy depending on the way you organize your workspace. Okay, starting at the bottom, you can access the list and check the assets off if you see them. So while walking through the garage in Jersey City, I immediately see the cargo van. so I put a check on that asset. At the bottom, touch Audit. One asset has been added. OK. You can enter the asset tag IDs manually right here. But why do that when you can use the camera on your device to scan the codes even quicker? I'm going to touch Cancel, and now scan barcode. I scan my first asset tag. Success! It's been added, and you can just continue from there. And that's just a few of the ways that the mobile app enhances the functionality of AssetTiger. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We have an amazing staff of trained experts who are ready to help you out.